Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. Today we will be learning numbers from 0 to 100. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can also visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, transcripts, early access to our videos, and more. The numbers in German are very easy. So let's begin. Zahl. Once again, Zahl. Zahlen. Once again, Zahlen. Zahl is the singular form and Zahlen is the plural form. Do listen carefully and repeat. So, are you ready? Here we go. Null. Once again, Null. Eins. Once again, Eins. Do note that S has the sound of Z. But whenever the letter S occurs at the end of a German word or after the last vowel within that word, it is pronounced as in English S. Zwei. Once again, zwei. The German consonant Z is pronounced like the English TS sound that is found at the end of words such as mats, pots, bits. Drei. Once again, drei. The next one is vier. Once again, vier. The pronunciation is similar to the English word vier. The German V has the same sound as the English F. Fünf. Once again, fünf. The two dots that you find on U are known as umlaut. You will pick up the pronunciation with a few more words that we will come across in other videos. Sechs. Once again, sechs. We have already learned that whenever the letter S occurs at the beginning of a German word and is followed by a vowel, it is pronounced as if it were the English Z. Similarly, in the next one, sieben. Once again, sieben. Acht. Once again, acht. Neun. Once again, neun. In this case, EU is pronounced like OI, for example, in oil in English. Zehn. Once again, zehn. Hope you remember the pronunciation of Z in German. It's TS. Elf. Once again, elf. Zwölf. Once again, zwölf. Well, letters with umlaut, in this case O with umlaut, has no equivalent in English. You will be picking up the pronunciation once you learn more words. 13. Once again, 13. Numbers from 13 to 19 follow a simple rule. Number plus 10. 3 plus 10 gives you 13. Similarly, the next one. 4 plus 10 gives you 14. Once again, 14. And can you guess the next one? 15. Once again, 15. Sechzehn. Once again, 16. Well, in this case, you do bring 6 and 10 together, but 6 is used without S. This is to make the pronunciation easier. Also, the next number is slightly exceptional. 17. Instead of 17, you say 17. Once again, 17. In this case, you remove the en from 7 and add it to the 10. 17. Let's look at the next one. 18. Once again, 18. And the next one, 19. Once again, 19. And now we come to the final number, 20. Once again, 20. When G forms a part of an ig suffix, it is pronounced as ich. You might also find some people pronouncing this number as 20. This is because they have a different dialect. So now you know numbers from 0 to 20. Let's summarize them. I'll speak and you repeat after me. Don't forget the two exceptions that we have here, 16 and 17. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's move on. Numbers from 21 to 100. In English, you always say the tens number first and then the digit after that. In German, however, it's the other way around. 21. Noch einmal means once again. 21. Here you bring 1 and 20 together. Only the S from 1 disappears. The next numbers will make it clearer. We start from the number which is at the units place, in this case 2, and then we go on to the number which is at the tens place, that is 20. So when you bring 2 and 20 together, you get 22. Noch einmal 22. I'm sure you can guess the next one. It's 23. Noch einmal 23. Here also, first you use drei and then 20. Very good. Let's move on to the next one. 24. Also, 4 plus 20, 24. Similarly, the next one. 25. Noch einmal 25. Please note that all these words are written together without a gap. The next one is 26. Noch einmal 26. 27. Noch einmal 27. 28. Noch einmal 28. 29. Noch einmal 29. The next number is 30. Once again, 30. Please note the difference in the pronunciation. 20. 30. In 30, the beta has the sound of a double S. Now, just like 21 to 29, the numbers go on from 31 to 39. So, the next one will be 31. Once again, 31. Similarly, you can write down the numbers till 39. Once again, 39. Now we'll be doing just the numbers in tens. 40. Noch einmal 40. For the numbers 41 to 49, you'll have to follow the same pattern as from 21 to 29. Here's the next one. 50. Noch einmal 50. The next one is an exception. 60. Noch einmal 60. Here the S from 6 goes away. Here's another one. 70. Noch einmal 70. Here also EN from 7 goes away. Moving on to the next one. 80. Noch einmal 80. 90. Noch einmal 90. You must have noticed all these numbers have the same ending, sich. However, only 30 has a different ending. And now we come to the final number. 100 or 100. Noch einmal 100 oder 100. Let's summarize now. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well done! Hope you had fun learning numbers today. To practice what you have learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!